Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip. And today our topic will be on sine rule. Okay, now assuming you have a triangle like this, let me name the triangle as triangle A, B, and C. Automatically, this side will be side A, this side will be side B, this side will be side C. Now, the sine rule says side A over sine of angle A equals to side B over sine of angle B equals to side C over sine of angle C. This is the sine rule, which is also equivalent, which is also the same thing as sine A over side A, which is equals to sine B over side B, which is equivalent to sine C over side C. You can use any of the two, it's the same thing. This is sine rule. Now, you can see this parameter contain three things. Now, you can, for sine rule, you can take two of it as long as you know, if you check, if I take these two together, you observe that we have four parameters. I have angle A and angle B with side A and side B. So as long as you know three of these four, you can use what you call the sine rule. Or automatically, you can take these two together. If I take these two together, I have four parameters also. Angle B, angle C, side B, and side C. So as long as I know three out of the four, I can use this. Okay? This is how we use the sine rule. We'll do some examples and you see I will apply sine rule. Okay? Now, for example, if you have a sample, solve the triangle below, completely. If I'm asked to solve the triangle below completely, what's the triangle? Assuming this is a triangle, assuming we have the triangle A, B, C, and I'm given this angle to be, I'm given to be 36 degree, I'm given this to be 7, and I'm given this to be 8. Okay? Now somebody should ask me, can I use cosine rule? Capital no. Why? Because the two sides that are given, the inclined angle, which is angle A, is not given. Okay? Now, so I can use the cosine rule. Let's try if I can use what we call the cosine rule. Okay? Now, let's use our sine rule. Now, if I want to find, the first thing you need to do is to identify your sides. This side will be your side B. This side will be your side B. This will be your side C. And this will be your side A. Which one should I find first? Is it my angle or whatsoever? Now, let's go to the sine rule. If I want to use this first two, let's check. Do I know my side A? No. Do I know my angle A? No. Do I know my angle B? I know my angle B. Do I know my angle C? I don't know my angle C. Do I know my side C? I know my side C. Okay? Do I know my angle side B? I know my side B. If you check this sine rule now, you observe that in this particular triangle, I only have this, and this. So if I want to collate, if I want to use this one, you observe that I can't use it because I know two out of four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these four, I only know these two. So I can't use this. What of this? I know 3 out of 4. So I will use this. So I will start by saying B. I will start by saying my B, side B, over sine B equals to side C over sine angle C. Okay, now you put your values. Your side B is 8 over your sine, what is your sine angle B, which is 36 degree, equals to your side C is 7 over sine. Do you know your angle C? No. Okay, now from this, if you cross multiply, we have our 8 sine C equals to 7 sine 36. So automatically my sine C equals to 7 sine 36 divided by 8. If I divide both sides of the equation by 8, so automatically my sine C equals to 7 times, what is your sine 36? Your sine 36 equals to 0.5878 all divided by 8. So my sine C will now be equivalent to 7 multiplied by 0.5878. All right, that will give you 4.1146 divided by 8. So my sine C is equivalent to, if I divide that by 8, it will give me 0.514325. So my angle C is equivalent to inverse of sine of 0.514325. So my angle C is equivalent to shift sine of 0.514325, and that will give us 30.95. Automatically, if you approximate, don't forget your angle should be in 1 decimal places. So 30.95 degree. Automatically, this is equivalent to 31 degree. Okay, because your angle should be in 1 decimal places. So if you want to approximate this to 1 decimal places, this will be equivalent to 31 degree. So I have found my angle C. So I know my angle C, I know my angle B. If I want to find my angle A, I can find it. Okay, now I know 2 angles, I can find the third angles. So don't forget, my angle A plus my angle B plus my angle C is equivalent to 180 degree. Okay, why? Because all the sum of angle in any form of triangle is equivalent to 180 degree. Okay, sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degree. All right, so I know my angle A, I don't know my angle A, I know my angle B, and I've gotten my angle C. My angle A is not known, my angle B is 36 degree, and my angle C is what I just found now, equals to 180 degree. Automatically, my angle A plus this is 67 degree equals to 180 degree. So my angle A equals to 180 degree minus 67 degree. So my angle A is equivalent to 113 degree. All right, that will be my angle A. There's the third place. I've gotten my angle A, I've gotten my angle C, it will remain my side A. So as long as I know all other parameters in this triangle other than one side, so I can go back to my sine rule. I can go back to my sine rule. All right, let's go back to my sine rule. Okay, now don't forget, I know this place now. I know all the 3 angles. I know all the 3 angles because I've gotten my angle C, I've gotten my angle A, I'm giving my angle B. Okay, let's go to the sine rule. Do I know my side A? No. Do I know my angle A? Yes. Don't forget, we know all the 3 sides, all the 3 angles. Now, the only 2 sides we have is side B and side C. So I want to find my side A. If you check this, I know 3, I don't know 1. So I can use this 3, this 2, this side, okay? Now automatically, if I continue from there, I know we have side A over sine angle A equals to side B over sine of angle B. Okay? Now, what is my A? My side A is what I want to find. Okay? My angle A is what I've gotten. That will be sine of 113 degree equals to my B, my side B is 8. That's 8 divided by sine. What is my angle B? My angle B is 36 degree. All right. So if you cross multiply my A sine 36 degree equals to 8 times sine 8 times sine 113 degree. Okay. Now there's something I wanted to chip in here. This angle is more than 90 degree. In our common classes, I'm going to teach us what to call the contrast rule, okay? But because I don't want you to get confused here, so I will leave it like this for now, okay? So my side A equals to 8 sine 113 degree all divided by sine 36 degree. That is if I make A the subject of the formula. So my side A equals to 8 times. Don't forget, my sine 113 will give us what we call 0.9205 all divided by sine 36. Sine 36 will give us 0.5878. So my side A will be equals to 8 times 0.9205. All right, and that will be 7.364 divided by 0.5878. If you divide this by 0.5878, you have what we call your side A will now be equivalent to 12.53. All right, to what? To 2 decimal places. All right, that is your side A. So if you check, I know all the 3 sides and all the 3 angles. So I have solved that triangle completely. If you find this class very helpful, please kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.